Here we go, friends. Wayne over at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. King of locking hubs. King of locking hubs. We developed hubs, locking hub kits for modern vehicles that nobody's ever done before. Repeating in the steps of Arthur Warren, Warren Industries. It started locking hubs right after World War II, messing around with the first Jeeps. Bunch of GIs came back and they were farting around with them old military Jeeps, and he developed the locking hubs in 1948. And today, Warren Industries is $1 billion business. And of course, we repeated the same thing basically in 2014. What is that? 52, 56, 66, shoot, that's like 70 years later, isn't it? Something like that. Yep. Even though I had a bunch of math in school, I sure have forgot a shitload. Here we go. This is one day, December 4th. This is about half the stuff going out, doing the final assembly and checking things. I get the privilege of checking just about, well, a high percentage of everything that leaves out of here. Thank God for quality control. I know all about quality control. The military was big on quality control, and that's one of the few things that I soaked up, thank God. So we've got a couple of Jeeps going out. 2014 Rubicon. We've got a couple going out for 1997 TJ. If you'll notice, Rubicon setup uses a larger U-joint and stub shaft. It's quite a bit beefier than the other Jeeps. That's the main difference right there with the Rubicons. Now, they were basically the same up through 2006, and then 2007 they beefed them up. It wasn't just the name. Marching on down here, we have the first hubs that we started with. I had bought that 5500 Dodge, and that damn thing didn't have any hubs. When I first got out of the Army in '87, and right before I joined the Army, I was really big into four-wheel drives there for a while. And I was part of that 80s monster trucks build with the first Bigfoot and all that stuff, running around Dallas with my own little monster trucks. So there we've got a 5500 set up, and then here we've got an early axle set up, one of the first gens, 1995. So there you go. There's a pretty wide spectrum of the gamut. Get you some hubs, disconnect that front end, and quit driving around with essentially full-time four-wheel drive. You know, them automobile manufacturers, they said, well, people are stupid. We're going to delete the hubs and let the drivers pick up that expense. They're stupid, and they won't even know any better. And you know what? They were right. My buddy used to say, once you know and you don't do anything about it, you're an idiot. Once you know something's wrong and you do something about it, you ain't an idiot. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Mopar and trucking.